What's up, y'all? Y'all know my name, so I ain't got to tell it. But I got something special today. Something big. Something that I've been wanting to get for a while, and I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, oh, Christ, another one of those boring-ass videos. But guess what? I'm excited. So, hit the like button and stick around. Check this out. Finally got one. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, honey poo. I love you. Traxxas X-Maxx. Blah, 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 blah. Traxxas X-Maxx. The big daddy. Of course, you know I already have the Max. Probably ain't seen much footage, but I had it out for about 5 minutes the other day. That's a cheap dry test for you. But I got better ones. Palo dog, I hear you over there. Hey everybody, meet my doggy. That's Palo. Palo, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Here's my doggy. Oh. Now I gotta try to get this behemoth open somehow, and everybody else be able to see too. Maybe we do this. Well, hello, 7-Up. A couple of my upgrades I also got to add on to. Aluminum steering knuckles, the bearing carriers, aluminum shock caps. Upgrades that I see a lot on Facebook, people breaking. So hopefully I'll be able to upgrade them and it won't break on me. Right. That was a beat, by the way. So who's been out bashing already? I know somebody's been out. Let's hear some stories, eh? Enjoying this beautiful weather. It's about time. I was tired of hibernating, believe me. I don't want one of these, but I'm waiting for the weather to break. The weather finally broke. We all got a bunch of free money, so I said, what the hell? Told my girl I wanted one for my birthday. Wait a minute. Let's get this out of the way here somewhere. All right. Ta-da! Look at that big bitch. Extra cardboard. Well, you could have put a poster on it or something for me. It's big. That's what she said. I had to get that one off there. Ooh. Check this out, everybody. This is some kind of metal. I'm not sure. But I bought this for 20 bucks at my local hobby shop in Lansing, Michigan. It's called Spanky's. But somebody made it. I don't know who it is. But it's really freaking cool. It was only 20 bucks. But like a dummy, I dropped it and I dinged the corner of it already. Laugh at me later. Dum want gum? Yeah. You guys already know, you get a Traxxas remote, the TQ. It's got the option for the link, the Bluetooth link. Put it on your cell phone. Jesus, this thing is gargantuan. Oh, I love it. Get out of there. And your bag of tricks. Oh, the optional gear. Aha, cool. Cool. Couple other things, couple tools. Excuse me. Battery pads, extra clips for the battery trays. For adjustable, bigger or smaller batteries, I should say. And the booklet, instructions, whatnot. And enough cardboard to build a homeless man a mansion. This thing's just aching to get up. Look at, poor thing. Yeah. Rise. Whatever. And of course I had to get the green. You know, my mini man is green, so I had to. Man, this thing is pretty. That's a whole lot of beefcake right there. These are some serious freaking zip size. There it is, in its glory. The Traxxas 8S X-Maxx. That's a whole lot of truck, folks. Stick around, you'll see some videos later.